Hi, friends, this is Maria here. I'm super happy to share with you in another episode in which we're gonna have fun using envelopes that probably I'm gonna end in a recycling bin or on a landfill. So, in my last video, I showed you how to make these two-in-one envelopes out of one simple envelope. It is a nice idea, easy, that allows you to reuse and recycle envelopes that you have around in your stash. So, in this video, I'm sharing three ways to place your new recycled and embellished envelopes on the pages of your junk journal or diary or agenda or wherever you want to place them. Welcome to this episode. Let's start. The first option is to clip and glue the double envelope to the side of one of the pages inside your journal. And as you can see, it's practical, easy, and now you are doubling the space you're going to have to keep your remote secrets. The idea number two is to place the double envelope in the center of your journal. That will be among the pages in order to be sewing together into the signature. So once you have everything aligned and you have it in the right position, then you're gonna sew or you're gonna glue your signatures together. And the option number three is the one in which you clip and glue to the top of the page. So once you alter or modify your envelope into two-in-one, you're going to clip it in the upper part of the page. And in this case, I'm doing another modification, that is, I'm going to change the direction of the opening of the envelope. You can leave it as it is. So in this case, you're going to have one of the sides to place your stuff inside the envelope. But in this case, I'm going to glue all the envelope around and I'm going to open the bottom part of the envelope on both pages. In that case, we can stick stuff coming from down up. In this first one, I use mainly birthday cards, some papers, and images to cover and to embellish the envelope. And it came really, really nice. And you can see, I cover the whole surface, the whole area of the envelope. In the second option, I practice more collaging and I want to become really good at it. I mean, I feel like I like to make collages, but I'm still doubting about mixing and trying and texturizing and just putting things together spontaneously, not thinking too much. So I'm trying, and you're gonna see my improvement in my third option. Also, is very important, I want to tell you that in my next videos I'm going to show you the making of each of these envelopes step by step. So if you want to watch them, just stay tuned and follow me in my channel, subscribe here, and so you will going to be able to see step by step all that I did in order to improve my collaging strategies and also to learn and to embellish these beautiful envelopes. This is my second option, and as I'm showing you in here, I'm using an envelope from a birthday card because I loved green and it was thin and it has like a border with some leaves and flowers. So I wanted to take advantage of that border that is already decorated to place it on top of the envelope that I'm recycling. So you need to trace the shape of your envelope in the way that you're going to have all the paper and just apply glue and then place your paper with glue on top of your envelope. If you someday, if you want to use the window, then you need to do it backwards so you can have the window on the outside part of your double envelope. So you're going to be able to place something inside the folded envelope and you can see it from the outside. So that is also a nice idea, and I hope you try. I'm gonna show you in different episodes how I decorate it step by step, so you can have an idea and I can tell you the story about how I have been improving and what is the best way to get ideas and to keep working in your creativity and in your stuff for your junk journal, like inventing, reinventing, recycling, reusing, upcycling. You know that I love to create, and when it comes to hands and craft, I'm super, super happy because that's my relaxing time, and I am sharing it with you here in my channel. So remember to leave me a comment because I always read all the comments, and don't go away without subscribing. I love these beautiful pages. They come from a book in which the author was teaching how to paint. And they are so beautiful, like this one with the girl on this yellow raincoat with an umbrella. And then I love the blue sky with all the little details. It looks like it's going to rain or it's starting to pour water. I don't know, I simply loved it, so I place it here in my journal. By the way, this journal I'm making is still separate, like the signatures are all separated. I don't have a cover. I'm starting like backwards, so as you can see, I'm starting like decorating the envelopes and the pages and everything, and then I'm gonna come out with an idea for binding in a different, totally different way. No sewing, no gluing, so stay tuned here in my channel. Some of the stickers I used here, they don't really are stickers, but they are pictures of flowers that I got from a tea box. It was super nice. And as you can see, the cardstock was really thick. So I'm just removing some of the layer from the back side and apply glue. And then I'm going to use them as stickers. So I'm going to show them to you in another video. But the pictures were amazing and they were more about flowers and spices. So it's really, really nice. So don't stop creating and stay tuned here in my channel to keep watching this beautiful thing that we're doing as these two double side fold recycled envelopes. This video is coming into an end. Thank you so much for watching. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. It's super easy. You just go ahead and click here in this icon and you're gonna be subscribed to my channel. You can always click here because in each episode I'm linking all the related videos up here in this corner, and don't go away without leaving me a comment. What do you want to see? How do you like this idea? And if you are going to try it, let me know. I would love to read your comments. Also, leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and if you make it into the end. And I see you very soon in my next creative episode. Stay tuned. And don't forget, creativity is part of our life. If you stop creating, you stop living the most beautiful moments of your life. See you very soon, my friends. Bye. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye. Bye, friends.